Hello, Yoga Sadhaka. I hope you're doing great and keeping up with the practices of yoga. So, today I am going to show you how to do a very important cleansing technique of yoga or Shatkaramas. This one is Jala Neti, or also cleansing the body with water. So it is also recommended to do it just after Kunjal Kriya, or we can just do it on a day when we are not sick, when we are healthy. So it is not recommended to do this process when you have cold or cough, but when you are fine. So this thoroughly cleanses the nostrils so that we can breathe very nicely. And one of the biggest benefits of Jala Neti is it is very good for the eyes. It relaxes the mind, it stimulates the nerves of the eyes, and it cleanses the nasal cavity. Let's see how to do Jala Neti. So first of all, you take 1 full liter of lukewarm water. Just warm it in a kettle or on a stove, and then mix 2 teaspoons of salt, sea salt preferably, into this lukewarm water, and then check the heat so that it is not cool or it is not too hot that it may burn your skin. So just check the warmth, it should be comfortably nice, and then you can just also taste the water. If it is too salty or less salty. If it's too salty, just mix a little bit of more water. If it is less salty, add a little bit of more salt. Okay, and then you clean your Jala Neti lota. You can purchase this online. It is very easy to get one of these, and they are not very costly also, so it's very essential. So what we do, we are just going to fill this Jala Neti pot with lukewarm salted water. Place this away. Okay, just test the flow. It's coming. So we just bend forward a little bit and turn the head towards the right. We can also start this with the left nostril. In case if the left nostril is blocked, we can do it with the right. Even if it is not, we can still do it with the right nostril. So I prefer to do it first with my right nostril. So just check it out. So we just lower our body a little bit and turn the head a little bit to the right side and place this nozzle into the right nostril gently. Okay, and in this process it is very important to remember that we stop nasal breathing completely and we do breathing with our mouth. Okay, no breathing through the nose. Okay, we gently place it and start breathing with the mouth, and we gently lift this up and the water goes into the nose and comes out from this other nostril. Just check it out. Yeah, during the process we can just close our eyes and relax and feel the water go inside and out. So done with the right nostril, let's do with the left nostril. Remember not to sneeze after doing this process. We have a nice process to dry our nostrils. We should not sneeze. If we sneeze, what happens is this salted water may rush into the ears and cause ear infection. So we should not sneeze. I shall show you Kapalabhati processes, how to clear the nostrils. One more round. I can already feel the air going without any obstructions. Finally, left nostril once again. So one last time. There's still a little bit more water. So this is last cup, so I'll do half and half. So there you go, we are done with the Jala Neti process. Now it is very important to dry these nostrils. So let me just show you how the process of drying occurs. So again, first we stand straight nicely and put the right thumb gently on the right nostril, and we forcefully exhale, not too forcefully that water may go into the ears, just comfortably, forcefully, that water just comes out. Okay. Now again, 10 with the right nostril. Now blocking left nostril with the right ring finger. So now with both the nostrils, observe that my stomach is going in and my junction of the chest heart center is coming out. Observe that the breath was very nice and easy. So now we bend forward a little bit, same like how we were doing Jala Neti, and then in this process we are going to do Kapalabhati. On the other side. So I have done 10, 10, 10, 10, total 40, and one more 10 with both the nostrils. So total 50 Kapalabhati, but if it's necessary we can do more. This is minimum count to dry the nostrils. And last process is we forcefully bend forward while forcefully exhaling from each of the nostrils. We do this 10 times. So what this does is completely empties the nasal cavities or sinuses, so that there is no water that is accumulated which may cause cold. So let's do on the other side.
So finally, with both the nostrils. So we are done. This much is enough. After that, we can lie down in Shashankasana or the child pose or the hare pose or the Sishu asana, whatever you may call it. I shall show you in a different video. So it is best and recommended to do this under a trained professional. You can choose a teacher near you or online, or you may join one of my sessions where I show how to do this via a particular platform. So this is very essential and very good. Okay, see that my nostrils, both of them in the morning, both of them are perfectly open. Okay, bye bye, see you later.